Dockside Studios working on the latest Corrosion of Conformity record, and we've been having a blast, and I think it's coming out really, really, really killing, and I can't wait for everybody to hear it. Right now I'm just going to give you a quick little tour of some of what we're doing. This is my 70s Gretsch kit in red glass glitter, and the sizes are 14, 16, 18, 26, and right now I got a Ludwig Superphonic 6.5 by 14 up, so you know, kind of going for a bottom vibe with the bottom sizes and this Ludwig snare. And then we've got an array of Zildjian cymbals up here, and this is my Lunar Crash. But I've done the kit tour before, and what I really want to kind of talk to you about is some of the mics and stuff, and I'm going to talk to my man Warren Riker right now, and he's going to let you know what we're doing. All right, Warren Riker right here. My man, we've been having a blast doing all of this.
I'm gonna do my best to keep it simple because Stanton Moore is doing all the heavy lifting on this project. As you can see, there's a myriad of things going on, isn't there, Stanton Moore?
There is, Warren.
A little bit of PA, a little bit of direct mics, combination platter as to when and where you want to use what. We have all the options.
Yes.
This is an option-filled drum setup where I can either go small or gigantic by using a large array of microphones that wouldn't necessarily all be on at the same time.
Right.
Right. So I get to choose the drum sound by which microphones I turn on and off.
Right. So in general, we have what, maybe 3 different situations that we can go back and forth?
Yeah, I mean, there's endless, but there's like a basic 3 or 4 different sounds that like can come from this combination of mics.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep. Killing.
And from that, it can lead to others, but there's close miking, there's close kit miking, and there's also sort of alternate ambience and faked out stuff as well.
And then we're rocking out a killer 70s Neve board.
Look at how many tracks we got for this Stanton.
That turn around to B gets
This
you
is all
anywhere you want to go.
This is all Stanton Moore. From here all the way, keep going all the way to boom.
To boom. Wow. All
We
drums.
got 28 tracks, man.
28 tracks. Holy crap. All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Can't wait for you to hear it.